Here's the equipment I used in the demo. MSA Firehawk 45-minute SCBA, ProTech Gloves, and Cobra Carbon Shield Hood. Paul Conway American Classic Composite Helmet with a leather liner and Nomex ear flaps. With practice, you can beat this time. Remember though, it's not all about speed. You want to be clean as well, which means having full hood coverage with no skin or face piece straps exposed, good overlap of your helmet ear flaps, as well as a tight and secure chin strap. If you want to improve your mask up times, subscribe and stay tuned for a future video which will explain and demonstrate the techniques I use that have helped to improve my speed and performance. Thanks for watching.